What's up, everybody? We're here in JPM. We're doing the serial filler for SPX. I'm going to get a new document. Oh, just so we can line all the numbers up. There we go. All right, I'm just going to do one timestamp. We are live at 6:45 here in Denver. So we got all the names and all the numbers. We're going to go 3 times on each list. 1, 2, 3. Marty probably wished it was a Raz. And now for the numbers. 1, 2, and 3. 6 on top, 9 on the bottom. Marty, you got 6 and 3. Grant, you got 0. Luca, you got all the 101s. Grant, 2 and 8. Kyle, 7. John, 4. Rick, 5. And Grant, 9.